Hey, hello, welcome to FS with SRIKANTH. In this lecture, we are going to learn text formatting tags and as well how to set up the Visual Studio Code. First of all, we are going to think about Visual Studio Code. Why we require Visual Studio Code? First of all, you observe in a general way how we are executing our program. Suppose these are one of our existing programs. So when we are double clicking this, so it automatically open this, and again you observe this notepad, open notepad. So every time you can update this one. Welcome to FS with SRIKANTH. Suppose there is a bg color equal red. So first you save here and again you refresh. This is one issue is there. Suppose next we can write the number of tags. Suppose there is a number of tags program is there. Copy. Just observe where our code is begins and where our code is end, right? Just observe this is a anchor tag and where is it will be there, save, and these are program execution, these are refreshing, right? This is very difficult right now. So lesson 1, so automatically, so this tag where we want to, suppose we need to update, suppose we require to update this particular tag. So suppose this paragraph is there, again you type something and refresh. Where is it? You check that, save. First you save this, and where is this? This is here. It takes more time now, observation, and how many paragraphs are there. Suppose you did any mistake there, suppose you writing ps, right? You did some mistake, even also it will be works, is right, it will be works, ps, right? So suppose we did any mistakes on our notepad, we cannot rectify that mistake right now. Suppose I forgetted one spelling, right, and I'm saving this, even I am refreshing, there is one mistake is there. Where it is that mistake? So we cannot find that particular mistakes, right or not. With the help of this text editors, we can get more flexible. The developer point of view, it's more flexible to the code writers, right? So just you observe here. So how do we can create that Visual Studio Code? How do we set up, right? So go to Chrome and open Visual Studio Code, and just open, and this one, and just for download. So here Windows system or Linux system or what it may be, just you install, right? Stable version and insider. So stable means it's already a complete released version, and insider in the sense it is updated, right? So definitely you should go with a stable version, right? Automatically it starts downloading, right? Already I have that. Just you download this and double click this, automatically it will be set up. Just again you observe here, after installing you will be see like this screen, right? And here we require most important extensions are there. So with the help of these extensions, we will perform our code is very clearly. The first one, so every time refreshing, that is a very difficult now. For this point of view, we can install live server. It's the most important. Automatically we will be get live browser automatically refresh. And this is a prettier. Just observe here, our code can be clearly visible, right? Automatically formats this way. Nested tags, and this is the one type icons. The content will be icons represented, right? If in case you are writing a React 7, you can download this React 7. And code spell checker, it will be check your spelling, your code spell check. And auto tag rename, suppose two tags are there, beginning tag and ending tag. If in case we are changing a beginning tag, automatically ending tag will be updated, right? Rename paid tags directly, auto rename. These are the required extensions. So definitely you should install this all extensions. Just observe, and I want to open my existing folder. Just go to that particular folder. Suppose this is my folder. Just right click on that. Just there is a one icon is there right now in a listed. Open with Visual Studio Code. So these are our programs, our existing programs. Again you observe color representation, very clearly it observe, right? Suppose you want to save, auto save directly. If you get one click, it automatically saves. And there is a go live option is there, go live. So when you are clicking this go live, automatically your entire program is visible, right? Just observe, this is your program, and just I am pressing Q, right? Automatically updated right now. We are not saving anything. Q, and I are going and one area when you are, suppose h44 is a qd, right, automatically the few seconds only it will be automatically open. Just observe, these are live server address, automatically it generates. This is one of the great advantage of Visual Studio Code. Not only Visual Studio Code, there are other extensions, other editors also there. There is a Autumn is one of the editor, and plenty editors are available, right? So in this way we can set up our Visual Studio Code. Very simple. Download from Visual Studio Code, download your code and just double click on that, automatically it will be set up. And you can install, there is a extension, just you install these all. So install these all, you install these all things, and definitely it will be helpful to your code, right? So, and also we can connect it Git directly to from here only. Automatically we can push the code to our GitHub, and you can search your file, and here only we can create a new files, like so suppose the text files are there, text.html. so automatically it will be generates, so automatically it will be creates. Not only that, if you want to create, there is one more file like a javascript js, java script.js, right? This is a js file. Automatically we understood that this is a js file, so it will be more advantage for developers. And again you observe, this is a folder and there is a javascript file is there, right? And there is a text file is also there. So here it is the most useful for every developer, right? So it's a very simple way, and definitely you should set up this Visual Studio Code. It is very, very important for everyone, right? Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.